Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw an Evil Eggman mech suit surprise fold featuring Supersonic. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Death Egg surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. So first let's take our paper and we're going to line up the corners and just give it a nice fold right down the middle. Next, let's go ahead and line up the corners one more time. Fold it. And it's kind of like a bookmark shape. Now when you open this up, you're going to have three little guidelines that are going to work really good for keeping the details of our drawing right inside of here. Now to start off with our Death Egg robot surprise fold, we're going to begin with the head. We're going to begin right here, and I'm going to start by making a line that's going to come up and down like this in a big sad face. Next, I'm going to draw a line that comes down on each side. Then we're going to make a line that's going to come down and back up like this. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that comes down, and then we're going to make a line that comes down over here. Right here, we're going to make lines that comes down, over, and up. We'll make a line that comes up, over, and then down for some detail. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that goes down and up. And right here, I'm going to make a line that goes down and up. Next, I'm going to make a line that comes right to here. And I'm going to draw a line that comes right to here. I'm going to make a line that comes in, and a line that comes in right here. We'll draw a line that comes down and over. Same thing here, we're going to come down and over. Right here, I'm going to add a little curved line and one over here. We'll add another line here, one here, and another line here, and one more here. Now let's work on the face. I'm going to begin right here. We're going to make a little V shape in the middle with a curved line across the top. We'll add a little circle in the middle and then two lines up here. We're going to make the mustache, so we're going to draw a long line that comes out on each side. We'll draw a line that comes down. We're going to go in and down. Same thing here, we're going to go down, in, and down. And we're going to make this line come up. And we're going to make this line come up. Next, we're going to make a line that comes down here, and a line that comes down here for the mouth. And we're going to make a line that comes right across. We'll add a couple little diagonal lines for some teeth. I'm going to add a long line that comes up and another long line that comes up over here for the eyebrows. Line that comes up, we're going to go in and then out. We're going to go up, in, and then out. Right here, I'm going to make a half circle here, and I'm going to make a half circle here. Do another one here, and one more here. Bring a line to here, a line here, and then a line up to here. I'm going to bring a line here, and we're going to make a little half circle here. We'll also make a line that goes up, over, and down. Right here, we're going to draw a line that goes down, in, and then we're going to go down. Same thing here, we're going to go down, in, and then down. We're going to go down with 2 lines here. We're going to go out and down. We're going to go out and down. Now, once we have our basic shape of our death egg, we need to open it up and draw supersonic on the inside. Now, when we open it up, we have 2 halves of our death egg. So now we want to make supersonic in the middle. Now, before we do that, I'm just going to go right here, and I'm going to fold this, and I'm just going to draw a little line straight across. Now, to draw supersonic in here, let's begin with the face. I'm going to begin right here, and I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down. We're going to come up and down here for an eyebrow. And we'll do that same thing here. We're going to go down, and then we're going to come up and down again. Right here, we're going to make a line that's going to curve out and up. And one here, we're going to go out and then up. I'm going to draw a small oval for the nose, a little line here, and then a little line right there. Next, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down. We're going to curve around and bring it right to here. Starting here, we're going to draw a little line that's going to come up and then down a little bit. Right here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come up and down for the eyebrow, and one over here. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that comes up on each side. Then we're going to make a triangle shape that goes out and then in. We're going to go out and then in for the ear. Draw a little line over, and we're going to kind of make that same shape for the inside of the ear. And we're going to make lines going to come up and down. We're going to draw a line that's going to come down to a point in, and another one down to a point in. Same thing here, down to a point in, down to a point, and then in. Right here, I'm going to make lines going to come out. We're going to curve it around and bring it back. And then same thing here, curve it out, bring it around, and then back here for the arms. We'll make like a long oval shape right around each one. Line that goes up and down, up and down, up and down. A little curved line, and then a line right here. Line that goes up and down, up and down, up and down. A little curved line, and then we're going to curve a line right here. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down, and then it's going to come right back up. Right here, we're going to make a line that's going to come down and then back up for the leg. And then over here, we're going to draw 2 lines that just come down. Right here, we're going to make a line that's going to curve up, and that's going to come around, kind of like a jelly bean shape almost. Then we're going to add a little line right around here, with a little line down, and a little line up for the shoe. Right here, I'm going to put a half circle on each side of this leg. We'll make a line up here, and then a line that's going to come down and up here. Next, we're going to make a line that comes down and up. Starting here, we're going to make a little half oval shape on each side. And we're going to make a little tiny pupil inside of each one. Now I want it to look like this death egg is breaking apart. So I'm going to start here. I'm going to bring these lines down a little farther. And we're just going to make kind of like a jagged, broken shape all the way around here. So it looks like it's starting to crack and come apart. So we're just going to do this all the way around here. And I'm going to do the same thing down here. Bring these lines up. And then we're just going to make them look like they are breaking apart all across here. We'll also want to bring these lines up a little bit. And then you also want to put some kind of like broken little pieces all around here just to make it look like the pieces are kind of going everywhere. So we're going to do this all around here as well. Just kind of add a bunch of little broken, jagged pieces all over. And there you go. There is your drawing of your Supersonic with the Death Egg surprise fold. When you fold it up, you have the Death Egg right there, and then when you open it up, you have Supersonic blasting through it. And there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.